Today we're going to take a look at some really exciting new features as well as some classic favorites as I show you 5 key time-saving features in planning and scheduling for SAP. My name is Derek Schickel and I'm a product lead here at Prometheus Group. So for those that aren't familiar with Prometheus Planning and Scheduling, it's the original solution that got Prometheus Group its start in 1998. It's a web-based graphical planning and scheduling suite with components for work order management, preventive maintenance, material coordination, and shutdown, turnaround, and outage scheduling and management. The first of our 5 key time-saving features is revolving around those role-based and tailored dashboards. This is, after time studies with customers, been just an incredible time saver, allowing people to forget the days of stumbling around selection screens, forget the days of trying to find bookmarks or messaging your coworkers to try to find what the proper set of data is. It's all there, it's all standardized. Now, the real flexibility in this comes in the ability to edit your dashboard, again, if you're an authorized user, where I have the ability to drag and drop these sections around wherever I may want them, wherever I may see fit, to make sure I'm getting the most important information at the top. These widgets are easily added, so if I want to set a link to perhaps a list of scheduler work orders, very straightforward to do so, and you can see as fields disappear and show up depending on which selections I make in this dynamic screen where I can say, let's find my weekly schedule. I could even pick an icon if I'm so inclined. And with that, you quite simply just select a variant from the planning and scheduling solution. So it all intercoordinates, it all works together. You can set maximum number of results, you can do whatever you want, make it collapsible. Now, we already have a list of orders, so I'm going to leave this, but just to give you an idea, you can also link to all these different solutions and more on the Prometheus platform, as well as provide simple URLs or images. So that means that you can expand this beyond just Prometheus solutions. We go on site and see customers that utilize their dashboard. They have links to their paid time off management portal. They have links to their internal company links, their catalogs they may use, whatever it may be. This truly can be the landing page for not just Prometheus usage, but for everything you do on a computer for your daily job.